Welcome to the Hostos Community College Children's Center. The Children's Center is part of the family of student support services at Hostos Community College. Our goal is to provide quality services to children while their parents can concentrate on their studies and work towards graduation. The center serves children 6 weeks through 5 years old, Monday through Friday, 7:45 to 5 p.m., year-round, including summer.
You feel comfortable, you feel at ease when your child is here. It allows me to have the flexibility to be in class while my children are at daycare.
We are committed to partnering with you and your family for educational success. Our center offers 2 playgrounds and a children's library, which contains over 1,000 children's books.
Here at Hostos, we provide a nurturing, caring learning environment. We utilize the creative curriculum, which is developmentally appropriate and hands-on. All teachers are credentialed to teach early childhood education, and classrooms are staffed with 2 to 3 teachers.
We have a dedicated mental health consultant to support families of children with special needs. We are also the only CUNY child care campus with a registered nurse on site.
I recommend Hostos Student Center to all student parents that need childcare services for their children. The teachers are very good. The staff say everyone is willing to help take care of your child in your absence.
Childcare tuition is almost 100% covered to student parents. Because of this, Hostos student parents can focus solely on their studies while knowing their children are well cared for.